Hello everyone and welcome to another one of the best streams in the world. Now with your host Z, the G of course. So today we are going to show real trades, real price action of gold. I only trade gold mostly in New York session, so today I'm going to show you how to trade price action for gold at New York session with this crazy volatility going on and insane amount of volume going on right now. Wow, look at this candle just moved 180 ticks already. So I was actually anticipating this thing to take this trade, but I just jumped in the chart, so I think we have to take some time right there. Looked like an amazing trade. Even stops could be below the current. Take profit till here. Yep, it's looking so good. 15 to 30 minutes. What a nice trade. There will be the target about here. It's already hit 1-to-1. Yeah, but unfortunately we missed that, so we are going to wait for the next best setup. Wow, look at that going. Look at that moving. So actually recently I have blown my Lucid funded account, and now I'm going to be trading like in here for a while till I could buy a new funding account, and we will go from there. Yep. So with today's price action, it doesn't look bad actually. Today is the day of Eid. Congratulations everyone who is Muslims and non-Muslims. Just congratulations for Eid, and I wish you this year will be one of the best years in your life. Oh wow, it's so delicious. This is my specialized Arabian coffee. It's very specialized coffee, especially for me, and it's so delicious, not like anything else I've seen. This coffee is not from this world. I'm telling you this right now. Alright, so let's get into it. Let's get into the chart and explain everything so we can find some good trade. Price is still on this daily support right there. Wow, look how clean price action we have on the daily time frame. We had support right here on the daily time frame, but looks like price closed below, and it's moving to the downside right now as we speak. Is just moving to the downside. Clear rejection to the left hand side. Very clear support area. So yeah, looking good to go. Alright, so as we can see here while we are speaking, gold is bleeding already. I anticipating that it will move to this far, about 400 pips. It will keep moving to the downside, so preferably we have a clean, luckily we have a clean price action today. So we are going for some sells below this area right here, which is 4638. Yup, sounds good to me. And buys probably above this resistance area right there. Yup, I think it looks very good, neat and clean to go. And that's pretty much it. So now we are going to wait patiently, extremely patiently for our setup. No need to FOMO in to take any unnecessary trades, because as you can see we have a lot of volatility that's going on. So you guys should be careful. Like any move, it's minimum about like 100 to 400 pips. Like any move, this was, I believe, so look, the 15-minute candle, it's about like 300 pips almost. So you guys should be extremely careful. Oh, that's so delicious. So let's go to the Nasdaq. So if we had any good trades on the Nasdaq, we're probably gonna take those. On NQ, it looks like it's melting. It's absolutely melting in Q. So let's check now on the higher time frames. It looks like it's moving to the downside. I was expecting it to move to the downside since it was approaching this resistance right here, since it couldn't break above, and I was anticipating it to move to the downside. But for now, gold, we have about 5 minutes for this next 15-minute candle to close. This closure will be interesting, so let's see how will this candle close. Hello Alex, how you doing, man? Hope all is good, everything is okay. I hope Telegram is okay as well. Today was Eid, so we were actually celebrating Eid today, so I was not looking at the chart much as usual. Yeah, so I tried to squeeze some time to trade this NY session, and yeah, I hope this will be a quick session so we can just keep going, because I have like a meeting after. I have to go see some friends, a friend, in like maybe an hour and a half, something like this. Alright, so we were talking about NQ. I'm going to do the top down analysis real quick. It looks very choppy on the daily, but we are, for the most case scenario, we are bearish on NQ. Yep, on the 4-hour time frame, it looks like clearly we closed below this area right here. Looks like a clear breakout. It can go for about this, till this support area, till 232. And on the 1 hour, this candle is looking good to move down. We just need a closure in about 17 minutes. Any closure in about 17 minutes would be good. In about 17 minutes, 30 doesn't look bad actually to go down, at least to fill this week and reject from this support right here. So I will be anticipating it to reject from this support right here for today. Yup, 15 doesn't look bad, but it's also not the best. So probably if we got a closure below this area, I will anticipate volume to push down to fill this week and retap this area. Probably will go with a small risk, small lot size. Yep. Or even better, wait for the 1 hour candle to closure below this area right here. This would be even much better setup. Yeah, so let's wait and see. Yeah, actually for gold it's better to take buys when if we got closure above. It looks more better because it couldn't break below. Closure above. Buys. Yep, it's looking good to go. You can see here we rejected this area 1 2 3 times, so it couldn't break below. Most likely it will break above, and let's see. Yep, that's pretty much it. Yeah, Alex, I'm doing great as well. It was an amazing day today. We've been celebrating the whole day. The whole day. I saw, I think I saw you took a nice trade in Asian, right? Was it today? March 20. Yeah, it was today. Man, what an amazing trade you took right there. It was a really good trade. What time was it? 6:12 a.m. 6:12, like right here, I think. Where did it go? $30. Okay, so it was on the 30. Yep, right here. Wow, man, what an amazing trade. So you remember, I think yesterday or before yesterday, when I told you about this equal wicks, it can, whenever it break, it will break with volume, and there is high probability to go up when the candles create equal wicks like this. So this also could be like a confirmation for you. Yeah, I'm really happy that it worked out. What an amazing trade, man. Wow, look how much it moved from there. Stop loss 140 pips. Yeah, so your stop was below the current candle or the previous candle, but I think both stops are good. Both stops are perfect, but no one would hold that much. Wow, it went about 1 to 5. Man, what a trade. What a trade right there. So if you closed about 1 to 1, that's perfect. About 1 to 1 right there. That's perfect, man. Yeah, on the 30-minute. Yes. Perfect, Alex. Great job. Man, I'm happy for you. You take this nice trade. I think you are improving day by day. You are improving. Soon we will get there. All of us, we are gonna get there. I think if you want, I'm gonna send the link right now in a few minutes. So this candle closed above, doesn't look good now. On the Nasdaq, doesn't look good. Let's check on gold. Green candle, and it looks like it's moving down. So it's better to wait. Just 13 minutes left on the clock, and then we will be good to go from there. Let's check if there is any news. But almost 100 pips, but I do manage risk. Man, perfect execution. That was amazing. 100 pips is not a small amount of pips. 100 pips is really good. Wow, look at that. So price created a support, tried to break below the support, failed, grabbed liquidity, and then created the second support. It looks like the perfect setup actually. Looks like the perfect, a little bit small bottom wick, but with the volume, I believe, from Asian session. And yeah, if it broke above this, wow, there is 1 2 3 4, there is 4 candle high. So if it break, yeah, there is high probability for it to go down. So you grab the 100 pips, man. That's a perfect trade and good execution. Well done my friend. Alright, so it says Trump's want to do some attack on Kharj Island in Iran. Nothing interesting for today, nothing major. It's all some minor news. So yeah, nothing major here today. But for now, I believe in like about 15 to not 15, sorry, the next 30-minute candle. So this 4-hour candle is going to close in 11 minutes. In 11 minutes we are going to see this 4-hour candle, which will be a big signal for us, because 4-hour candle closure is one of the best volume times and it delivers the best volatility and really good price action. So yeah, we are going to wait for this 4-hour candle closure in 10 minutes and we might find something from there. Oh, this coffee is so delicious. In about just less than 10 minutes now. Less than 10 minutes. Also 4-hour will close on NQ. But man, you can see that it's rejecting from this area, so we will be very cautious on NQ for today. But we are looking mainly at gold. We have very high probability gold can fill this range now in about 10 minutes. In about 10 minutes there is a high probability to fill this range. So why there is a high probability? Because there is no other way to go. So either it will fill this range to move up like this, or it will fill the range, or even we get a closure below to move down like this. Yep, something like this. That's the only possible scenarios at the moment. That's what we are anticipating now. That's why we are waiting for the 4-hour candle closure, because we can get stopped out on the wicks of the 4-hour candle. Here, let me keep this line right here, because we have a clean range below about 260 pips. Perfect range below. Yep. So gold is melting now. It is melting. Yep. Wow, look at that. Gold just broke below this area. It just broke below this area. Although the trade, this one, it was an amazing trade. Congratulations to anyone who took it. It was break of the 1 hour, I think, and the 4-hour right here. So it was the break of the 4-hour as well, 4-hour low, which is a really good trade, by the way. Doesn't look the best on the 15-minute time frame, so sometimes you can ignore it, but on the 30 it looks just perfect. Yep, looks just perfect on the 30 and the 1 hour. Absolutely melting. Alright, let me create a Zoom meeting link. Give me a minute. I will do it right now. I need just a minute. Wow, gold is breaking, so in about like 7 minutes we can see some move. In about 7 minutes. I'm trying to create this meeting link now. Here, breaking. Alright, it looks like it's breaking also on the Nasdaq. I believe this new 4 hour will be very interesting. Very interesting trade on this new 4 hour candle, which is gonna close in about 5 minutes. In about 5 minutes now. So I have sent the link in the chat. You guys feel free to join and let's have a quick chat. For 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left for this 1 hour candle closure. I'm getting some lag. Another app is using on the YouTube. Hello, Alex.
Hello.
Hey man, how you doing? How's your day going?
You tell me, how you doing?
Oh, amazing, bro. I'm doing very well.
Nice, brother.
So you took a really good trade in Asian. Congratulations. That's an amazing trade.
Thanks, man. Yeah, thanks.
So how many percentage did you got on that trade?
I think point 45.
Oh, okay, that's fair enough. Almost a 0.5%.
Yeah,
Well done.
yeah, brother.
Yeah,
Wow, gold is melting here today.
Yeah, gold will melt already.
Yeah.
But we peak at entry today,
Sorry?
giving like bad entries. I
Yeah.
want to take short,
Mm-hmm.
but price didn't pick up or
Yeah.
price into this messy
Bro,
range.
but right there, if you was watching the chart right there, it was a really good entry, by the way, right there. You can
Where?
see here, right there. After the 30-minute
Yeah.
candle closed.
Okay. Okay. Can you please share your screen on Zoom?
Alright, give me a second. On the Zoom. So, can you see now my chart, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, cool, cool. So it's this area, this one right there. Give me a second. Wow, just close at the support area.
Yeah.
Let's check NQ real quick.
MQ is also closing low. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
MQ is also closing low. Wow, what a drop.
Yeah, crazy drop, man. Wow, what a drop. So let's check the 4 hour. It should be the 4 hour time frame now. Yeah. I have a little bit internet. I think it's slow or something.
Yeah, your charts are little bit laggy.
Or maybe because I'm sharing it on two places. I think that's why. Alright.
Maybe it can.
Yeah, so 4 hour closed exactly at the support, I guess. It looks like a little bit, yeah, a little bit below. This is also a little bit confusing. I don't like these kind of closures.
Same here.
So the one I was talking about is this. I give it a second. Why do you think 15 minutes is the best, brother? Blue line. Below blue line. Man, I don't think 15 minutes is the best. Sometimes I take trades on the 1 hour or the 4 hour. A cash, bro. It was like on this blue line, I think you can see it here. So it doesn't look good on the 15 at all. But if you went to the higher time frame, like for example, look at the 30. Let it load. Yep, right here. So right here you see, you can see price that it created a resistance, really nice one. This candle failed to break above this previous candle. You could have nicely entered the sell below here. Either break of the lows or break of the current lows. So the second break of this candle, it was actually the break of the 4 hour low, which is a good, like it's a good confluence, you know.
Yeah.
Your take profit will be minimum above here, like right here, which is, this is 2.37. That's a really good RR till this recent
Yeah,
resistance area.
yeah. I was waiting for price to pick up and then thinking of taking some sell, but
But
price was wicked down.
in here in this trade, you mean it wicked down first?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it wicked down first. And 15 minute was in the middle of the range and I was green for the day.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, let it go, no problem at all.
Yep, I think it's a good decision right there. Sometimes no need to force trades. Yeah, it looks perfect. Unless it was very far, so if it like wick down and then wicked up, you can enter on the reflip to the downside. If
But it moves very fast.
if the wick is not big.
Because of NYSE open.
Oh yeah, you're right. This was like NY pre-NY open. Yeah, you're right. So, bro, I think my chart is a little bit lagging. I will just off the screen from the Zoom.
Yeah, no problem.
Wow, look at this candle. That's a huge candle.
Yeah.
That is a huge candle. So this line, the blue line, is just, it shows the low of the 4 hour. Look, the previous 4 hour, and this blue line is just shows this was the previous 4 hour candle, and when it break, it must go somewhere after it broke the previous 4 hour candle, at least like 50 to 100 pips. Yeah, so next best idea now is if we can get a closure above, probably a closure above. Let's check. Okay, so it looks like, let's do a fresh top down analysis now. Alright, I don't like this lagging. Mm. So it looks like the 4 hour closed a little bit below, not all but just a little bit. Yeah, but I think it looks like it closed below, so anyway it must create a top wick. And on the
Yeah.
1 hour, oh man, it's taking some time. So I think we cannot enter cells unless we get a green candle first, like a rejection candle, then we will enter on the break of this candle. And for buys, if we got any support that's formed there, probably we can take buys, because look at this candle, this is about 400 pips, so we might see some sort of rejection, till this area right above. So let's just wait for the 15-minute candle to close in about 7 minutes, and we will see what will happen from there. I think that's much better. And on NQ, if we look at NQ, it have just melted. NQ just melted.
Yeah, implemented too.
And it's lagging a lot, bro, so if you don't mind, I think I will close this meeting as well, because my chart is very Wait, I think it's getting better now.
Yeah, no problem, bro. Well,
Alright.
Telegram also, no, sorry, this, what do we call this? Charting, trading view. Trading view is like very bad software for charts. It
Yes.
lags so many times.
Yes, you are right, actually, and it's delayed, bro. This chart is delayed like every 5 seconds. It's updated every 5 seconds.
Yeah.
So this is what I don't like about TradingView. Alright, so I think Nasdaq is a little bit overextended. We cannot take any sells here as well as buys because we are extremely bearish.
Yeah.
Probably if it tapped this area right there created a support, I will be open to go with some buys with a low risk. And on gold it looks like it's just moving down. Hmm. Probably if it created a strong support here, we can anticipate a pullback. I believe
Yeah.
it's not a bad idea
Let's see.
because this is, we have a 30-minute support here and 1 hour, not really. Yep, we have a previously 1 hour support. It's actually a strong rejection area, as you can see here. It's a strong rejection area. 4614, 4611. The 4 hour, yeah, it doesn't look bad. Also 4 hour, I believe it broke the low 2 times, so if it went and re-break the high, I believe it can create a top wick at least for about 370 pips if it was willing to create a top wick to go down. So yeah,
Yeah.
buys above, doesn't look bad here. Buys above. And then if it melted, then it melts, and yeah, we are not interested anymore if it melts. Gold have been going down, I think, for the past 2-3 days. What? For
Yeah,
the
bro,
past
it's just one
20
shy.
20 days been moving down.
Oh, yeah.
Tough, man, that's tough. Yeah, it looks like it's melting now.
It's melting for real.
Hmm. Nasdaq as well. So I noticed this thing with many like years of experience, that on Friday it mostly gold and Nasdaq, they tend to go down, to move to the downside more on most of Fridays, but you cannot just short the market like that without any good reason. So yeah, but they tend to move down. We can test this theory right there. So let's see, previous Friday, this was previous Friday, it moved down about like 800 pips, almost 1,000 pip on the last Friday. Previous Friday, Wednesday, Monday, Saturday, Friday. Oh, on the previous it went up, and the previous one, yep, it was going up as well. On Friday we got this big week only. Look at this big week. Oh, 500 pips dump, and then it kept moving up.
Yeah.
It's interesting. Monday, Friday, yeah, so maybe it's not 100% true after all. It needs backtesting.
Yeah, needs testing.
Mm, yeah, also buys above there will be good as well. Above here, this area. So in 15 minutes, I think it's the New York Exchange Open, I believe. NYSE.
No, 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 no,
The
no.
open is already.
I think
But what is this? Like,
I,
this is a very high volume time on 9:30, and
yeah,
like,
it's very high volume time, but the timings are changed because of that day saving change. Like we moved 1 hour before. Like NYSE used to open
mm-hmm.
at right now after 15 minutes
Yeah.
in winters, but right now it opens
Mm-hmm.
at 1 hour before in summer. So
Oh,
I think you should Google it.
yeah, 7:30, I think.
Yeah,
1 hour before.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, makes sense actually. It was when it started moving down, like right here. If you say one
Yeah.
hour before, yep, right there, this one. This candle right here, where it started melting. So here on the 15 minute, it looks very bad actually, but if you go to the, oh, so I was watching it and you could have entered right about here, this area, but range is not that big. Hmm. Because it have created a support resistance area, sorry, look at this, created a resistance right here and then moved down about 200 pips,
Yeah.
not bad. So 15-minute candle closed. So it filled this range right here, and for buys we have to wait for buys. We have to wait for buys. Yeah, we had a rejection here before from this area. Doesn't look bad. Yes, bro, I think it will actually just keep melting again today. It looks like it
Yeah,
will just keep melting.
we have it fill at daily time frame. That's why
Yeah,
inverted to.
exactly. Hmm. Yup, I can see it now.
Yes. Yeah. But no problem. From Monday, we'll be once back in the market with good ranges, good price action.
Absolutely, that's 100% true.
Yeah. Monday's Asian gonna be fire because I saw a lot of volume on Monday in Asian.
Mm. Monday on Asian,
Yeah.
but I think this Monday was not that fire. Let's
This was
check
like
this Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Yeah, this Monday right here. Oh, yeah, I think it was not that bad actually. Yeah, it was not that bad where I got faked out right here.
yeah,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, could be true.
yeah.
So probably with this 30 minute, if it close, but man, the thing is, it's a little bit overextended now. It's a little bit overextended. This is 1000, almost 200 pips. Difficult to take a trade right there.
Yeah, difficult to take it.
But it's a free fall. Look, previously it closed. It's a free fall from there.
Yeah, free fall.
Yeah. If it closed and broke, we are going to see gold just dumping down. Let's check this volume profile. Oh man, it looks like it's going to dump actually. Looks like it's.
Yeah, looks like going to down.
Mm-hmm. Totally. It's been a little bit difficult to find the trade for gold on New York session recently. Been very difficult.
Yeah, yeah, very difficult to find the trade.
I think it's because of this war uncertainty and what's happening. Maybe that's why it's, yeah, difficult. So I think maybe with this 15-minute candle close, we can, I mean the 30-minute candle, we can anticipate something probably, but with a low risk. We cannot risk big on this trade because it's a little bit overextended. Maybe with a small risk we can anticipate. Yeah, maybe with a small risk we can anticipate this candle to keep moving down, but it should be a really small risk, to be honest, because this doesn't look
Yeah,
safe.
yeah, yeah.
And we have a clean range, both a clean range and a wick to fill, so why not? Could be good to go. Yep. Look, previously it closed and it went down for about, just went down like 1,000 pip after closure here on the 30-minute. It created just a top wick. Wow, man, this is a lot of pips. This is a lot of pips. So let's wait a little bit more and see, especially on this in the next 5 minutes we have a really strong volume candle, really big volume candle. So it's just pushing and there is just 3 minutes left. Wow, that's a big push, my friend. That is a big push.
Huge drop, man, huge drop.
Yeah. Alright, 2 minutes left for this candle. I hope it leaves a wick at least, so we can put our stops to break even on the wick. Wow, wow.
Yeah, let's see.
This is just 200 pips. I think it's the last 5 minutes. The last 5 minutes, it's almost 200 pips, 5 minute candle. Man, this is absurd. Also, there is a lot of volume coming in this next 45 seconds. A lot of volume, huge amount of volume. So let's see. We want it to leave us a top wick. I mean, leave us a bottom wick, like a wick to fill at least. Not like that. If it closed like that, I don't think there is a chance that we can take anything. Alright, 10 seconds. 9, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now can it create a nice top wick? We need a top wick till here at least. Yep, a good top wick will be nice. Okay, doesn't look bad. A little bit more. $177, 200. Oh man. Let's check Nasdaq. It closed weak 30 minutes. Bullish 15, but also weak 15. Oh bro, this price action, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Yep, that's good. It's pushing above the range. Hopefully we can get some sort of closure. Hopefully. So last time it went down, it pushed like here, this area. Man, it's too far. Very, very far. We actually have some weak resistance here on the 15. Look at that, some weak resistance. So if this candle could close like this green and then the next candle break it, we probably have a better chance of it going down.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's looking good to go down if this candle closed like this green, and then we will enter on the next one. Probably.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, that's nice. It's pushing back into the range now.
Yeah, into the range.
We can take some buys if it actually closed inside the range. Give me a second. Wow, we are having a really nice rejection. This is an indication for opportunity. So this candle, I think it can push up to break this 4 hour high, or it can just retrace to create a bigger top wick, because this wick on the 4 hour is very small, you know, so it can create a larger wick like this. This is what I'm anticipating, but man, dangerous. So both cases, in both ways, we will take very small risk today, both ways.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's much better than risking a lot today with such price action. Now 15 minute has about 7 minutes to close the 15. It doesn't look bad. Check Nasdaq, it's not doing anything. Okay. So Alex, who's the other streamers, like other people who's trading, do you watch?
Time to it trading,
Yeah.
Raja Banks, and there's one more person.
Which one?
I think Daniel Holmes.
Oh yeah, Daniel Holmes. He's a great guy.
Yeah.
I used to watch some of his live streams a long time ago, but I stopped now. So,
Okay.
but I think Time to Eat Trading didn't stream today. That's weird.
Oh,
Yeah. Right? He's always streaming like every single day. I think he never misses
yeah.
a stream.
Yeah.
What happened today? He's not streaming, right?
Daniel Holmes.
No, I'm talking about Nick Stewart, Time to Eat Trading.
Nick. Time to it trading, I think he's busy today. He streams daily, but today he's busy.
Ah, Did he mention any reason or he's just not trading?
No, no, no. He's busy. Didn't mention any reason for that. Just
Oh.
told everyone that there will be no stream because I'm busy for some work. So yeah,
Mm.
it is what it is.
Okay, okay. So you've been to his clubhouse before,
Yeah, I have been.
and what do you think? How is it? Is it good?
Yeah, it's very good. If you want to be profitable and
Yeah.
get to know about technicals
Uh-huh.
and psychological, financial, that helps a lot.
Hmm.
Very good community.
You still there or you left?
No, no, I left.
Why? What happened?
I was there for almost 8 months. I left
Wow.
because I want to do it like by myself. At there, we used to do every session,
Uh-huh.
London stream, pre-New York stream, Asian stream, and New York stream. So I was thinking like, am I doing like taking signals only, or am I really
Yes.
progressing? So I just left and took this challenge that I'll do it all alone
Uh-huh.
by myself. I take every setup by myself. Let's see where it goes. So till now
Mm.
it's going very good, very healthy.
Wow. So the time you took payout, it was with them, right?
Yeah, yeah. It was with them, and yeah, it was totally with them.
But since you left, you didn't take a payout.
Well, since I left, I took payout,
Uh-huh.
but the most of the trades were when
With
I
them.
was with them.
Mm.
So it
Yeah.
counts with them only.
Now I got it. So it's like almost was kinda signal type,
Yeah,
like you was
and
not fully
the
dependent on yourself, I think.
yeah, yeah, yeah. But it's good for beginner to learn
Mm.
what
Yeah.
like we are looking for.
Wow.
He breakdowns every trade, every
Uh-huh.
setup, every scenario that
Mm.
what he was looking,
Mhm.
what he was trying to do 4 hour
Mhm.
and 1 hour daily, his analysis. So you can learn a lot from there.
Yeah, I understand. So who was trading like all of the other sessions? Because I think Nick is just streaming in New York and maybe London, Asian, I think. Who was doing
Uh,
trading during London?
London was done by Magnus. You just know
Oh,
him? Magnus. Yeah.
yeah, I think I heard him or I saw him maybe once or twice. Magnus.
Oh, okay.
No, I mean on YouTube, not in real life.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
Wow, is he a good
Magnus.
trader, Magnus?
Hmm?
Is Magnus a good trader?
Yeah, Magnus is a very good trader.
Hmm.
That's why he's the host of London Stream. Magnus, Johnny James,
Hmm.
Rowdy.
Wow.
There are a lot of person.
So
Very good
how
traders.
much did you do you pay per month for like their subscription?
One $150.
Oh, okay.
But
And
it's totally worth it, man.
uh-huh.
Best like spend of my life.
Wow. So why you stopped if it's the best time? I think you could
Well,
just stay
as a
there
beginner,
and
if you want to learn, you
Mhm.
can. But since you know that you have to do it by yourself too.
Yeah, yeah, I totally get you.
Yeah, you
Mm.
have to build that confidence. You have to build that execution. You have to
Hmm.
build a lot of things around you so that in future you can do it all alone. What happens if Nick die?
Yeah,
What
you are
can you forbid
absolutely
him?
right. So yeah, I was doing like this before and thinking like this and using signals, but I stopped very early on and took the step to trade by myself and not to watch anyone or not to trade with anyone. So sometimes I actually watch them when I am bored or just want to watch something for fun, but not for like taking a
Yeah.
trades or something like this. So yeah, and they say actually pretty good helpful information like psychological tips and other type of stuff.
Okay.
Man, but so $150 like in your country, you are in India at the moment, right?
Yeah.
It's not like big money or small money, $150.
so big, not so small, but like, yeah, it matters.
Mm. Like, for example, what is your average monthly salary over there?
It's the same. Average could be like 20, 30, maybe like 200, $300.
What? But
Yeah,
bro, if it's 200, $300, this is and $150 is like almost half the salary. It's like not a small money for you guys.
yeah, but you are talking about like average. So I am saying average
Uh-huh.
because people are like here 90, almost close to 60, 70% of people are below average salary, like
Mm-hmm.
almost close to 200, 300, $400.
Mm.
Then there are people who are making like close to $1,000, $2,000.
Yeah.
Then the top 1% makes like in billions, millions, thousands, lakhs of dollars.
Ah. Okay.
So it's person to person.
So what about you? Like, do you work something or you are a student?
No, no, no. I don't work.
Uh-huh.
I do study,
Uh-huh.
but
What do you study?
it's all because of my brother. He,
Because
hello?
yes.
Yeah, it's because of my brother. He works in Canada for a firm. I think you knew it, Black Rock.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, he works for them. So that's why I can afford.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
But I thought BlackRock is in America, in USA, not in Canada.
Uh, I think it's not BlackRock. I think it's parent company or parental company,
Ah,
Blackstone or BlackRock maybe. I think
okay.
Blackstone it was.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, both are same companies. I think
Mm-hmm.
operated from same. Let me just Google it. It's BlackRock or Blackstone. Blackstone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's Blackstone.
Oh, okay. Maybe it's some other company.
No, no, no. It's same company.
Mm-hmm.
It's named after Blackstone.
Uh-huh.
Like it's same company but two different names.
Oh.
Like it got merged first, but they got diverted into two names, like
Mm-hmm.
two other companies, but they do same thing. They manage money
Mm-hmm.
in BlackRock and in Blackstone same.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, that's why I was also like very confused when I got to know about Blackstone. I was like, why Blackstone? It's BlackRock. So he told me, oh no, Blackstone.
Yeah.
It's other company, but it's the same parental company, BlackRock. BlackRock owns Blackstone.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense now. That makes sense,
Yeah.
much sense. That's interesting. So he works there like as a trader or as well or something else?
No, no, no. He works there like research analyst,
Mm,
and
mm.
he's a trader too.
Oh,
So well,
that's cool.
he only introduced me to trading.
He is a profitable trader, is he?
Yeah, very profitable trader. He used to trade Nasdaq and gold in lower
Uh-huh.
time frame. He
Oh.
has his own strategy, but it's very complicated with too much indicators. So that's
Uh-huh.
why I was like, you do it your own way, I'll do it my way.
Ah, wow. That's really interesting, man. I was
Yeah,
always wondering how these like inner circle traders, they not inner circle traders, but like inside the pits or these big companies, how does they trade and so on.
oh,
Yeah, it was actually a little bit interesting for me.
nice.
So I think this candle it created a support, it doesn't look bad, and now it created a very huge bottom wick.
Yeah, it created very huge bottom wick.
So maybe if it break its own high, this is like 200, but it's the last 15 of the 1 hour. So I think we should wait just this 10 minutes and we probably gonna find something nice. We
Yeah,
are
we
probably,
should wait.
yeah, definitely. Waiting is the key.
Yeah, waiting is the key for sure.
Wow, that's interesting. So what do you study? Like, what's your major
I
or faculty?
study computer, like computer science,
Mm,
PC BC, Bachelor of Computer Application.
No, but I do know computer science. I have a
Yeah,
lot of
yeah, I
friends
know
also that
the
they
computer
study
science.
computer science and they work in Dubai.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Interesting. So you don't work like any job or anything at the moment.
No, no, no. I don't work at the
Uh-huh.
moment.
Yeah, that's not bad. So does your brother like motivates you to trade or supports you also, or you are just doing it by yourself? It's your own choice.
Yeah, my brother motivates me, supports me in the beginning, and right now I'm very interested in trading,
Mm-hmm.
doing it all alone. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, he used to call me very often that
Mm.
how's your trading going? And I
Mm-hmm.
told him it's going great, showed him payouts. He was like
Oh,
very happy that you made it.
wow.
Keep doing, keep grinding, you will be like very good in few weeks, no, sorry, in few years.
Uh-huh. But I have a question now. So how long did it took him to become a consistently profitable trader?
For him, it took almost 3 years.
Uh,
At the starting, he used to trade Indian market.
yeah.
Do you know about Nifty?
Nifty, yes, of
Yeah, he
course.
used to. Yeah, yeah, he used to trade Indian market,
Mm-hmm.
and he was like profitable in Indian market. But Indians are like Indian has this one problem, tax problem. He
Mm-hmm.
has so many charge.
Yeah.
So one day he got to know about forex,
Mm-hmm.
Nasdaq, and US 30. He was like backtesting that pair,
Mm-hmm.
and it was very profitable for him. So
Mm-hmm.
he started trading forex, and then he like maybe in COVID he started trading forex and become profitable in forex. Took money
Mm-hmm.
out of forex broker, and then one day he suggested me that you should.
Yeah, that's interesting. So how old is your brother?
Maybe right now he is 40 years old or
Oh,
45.
so
I don't
he's he's
exact,
old.
but he's very old.
Yeah, I thought he's young actually, like maybe 20, 30 something. Wow.
Yeah, not young. He's
No, that's not young at all.
mid
So,
age.
yeah, so how old are you?
I'm 22.
Oh, now you are young.
Yeah, I'm young.
Oh, that's good. You started like early, so now you have a higher probability to become successful very soon.
Yeah.
I think so. So currently he trades for the company, not for his own, right?
No, no, no. He doesn't trade for the company.
Hmm.
Well, he research for the company
Uh-huh.
that in which stock company has to invest or not.
Uh-huh.
He do all the research that the audits of company is okay or not. Is there
Mm.
something illegal, or is there something like numbers are
Oh,
correct or not?
yeah,
But
like
he trades
data
for research
analyst.
only.
I think I get it now. I think I
Yeah,
get it.
but like I know his friends trades for the company. I know them. They
Mm.
told me a little bit of stuff that that's how they trade. They have like this particular setup,
Uh-huh.
particular softwares. I was like very interesting to know,
Yeah.
but they were like, okay, we can't tell you a lot because it will create trouble for us.
Yeah.
So they were like, when we meet personally, then
Mm-hmm.
we can tell you something, but till then, I think no. So I was like, yeah, it's your job. You cannot tell me that much, but yeah, since you tell me
Mm-hmm.
little bit, that's okay too.
Yes, of course. Must be interesting what they are talking about.
Yeah.
So this candle is breaking now. I was anticipating this actually, this break of this candle, but it came very very late. So I wanted to take cells like right here. Let's see if it will work or no. But because it's the last 5 minutes of the 1 hour, I don't think I'm going into that just because of that reason. But yeah, this was my anticipation actually, my idea.
Same here.
hmm So let's see if it will go into drawdown or it will just go to fill this range. So in which year are you studying now?
I'm in third year.
Oh, so you have one more year left, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, cool, cool. That's actually pretty nice.
Yeah.
Mm. So you, that means that like you get your income from your brother to buy the funding accounts.
Yeah.
Mm.
But right now, like in the beginning, I used to. But right now, I am doing it by myself.
Oh,
From payouts.
wow. Man, this is really good actually. So how much was like your first and second payouts and what was this accounts?
Sorry.
Like the payouts. So I guess you took two payouts only, right?
No, 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 not only two. I took like one, two, three, four, five payouts.
Oh,
I
wow.
took one payout from Echo Futures. I took one payout from Top One. I
Mm-hmm.
took one payout from this My Funded Futures,
Mm.
and one from. You heard about Blueberry Market? Sorry, Blueberry Funding.
Yes, yes, of course I did.
I took. Yeah, I took from them too.
Mm. Wow, you took basically from every future company out there.
No, not every. I want to take like from Lucid
Uh-huh.
and from Topstep, but Topstep didn't give me an account. Want to take from Lucid, Topstep, and there's few more Apex.
Yeah.
Apex since banned metal trading, so I'm not going to take their account.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, I'm only focused into this Lucid account and
Yeah.
the Forex Dominion one account. Well, let's see where it goes.
So you have now a Lucid and Dominion funding accounts, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And how much was like your payouts, the average payouts you was getting?
Average payouts were like the first payout I got was $60, and
Uh-huh.
the second one was $200. Echo
Okay.
Future was $750. Top one was $1,200.
Wow.
My funded future was like I think it was 350 or 320 something dollars.
Mm. That's nice. That's a really good numbers actually.
Yeah.
Mm. So what do you do in the when you take some payouts? Do you have like a plan to like, for example, reinvest and save and this type of stuff,
Yeah.
or you just spend them
Yeah.
totally
I
on
do.
buying?
I do like reinvest 50% of the payout in like this evaluation and funded
Mm-hmm.
account, and rest 50 I just had to enjoy like for some expenses
Mm.
and like in backup. That's it.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah.
So when you trade these funded accounts, you trade them aggressively or like you trade them
No,
carefully?
no aggressive, only passive. I risk very less on funded. I risk like 0.5% per trade, point or 75% to 1%. That's
Mm-hmm.
it.
And on
And
evaluations?
like evaluation, I trade aggressive, but
Ah,
like I need to find good trades.
yeah.
When there is like very good trade, A plus trade, I risk like 1% 1%, 2% to 3%,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes 4%, sometimes the whole account.
Wow. And does it work?
Yeah, it works sometimes. Sometimes it just blow the accounts.
Yeah. Wow, that's very interesting. So actually,
Yeah,
you know that top traders, they actually do the same. So they risk basically the whole account, or they risk the account in just two trades in the evaluation.
okay.
But on the funded stage, they tend to risk like small as you do, which is really good,
Yeah,
like a really good thinking. So I think if it this is the 1 hour time frame, 30 minute looks a little bit choppy, 15 is not bad, so 1 hour and the 15 is together. So I believe when this candle move down, it will go somewhere, I guess so.
yeah,
It looks like it even in the 15, at least maybe you can get this weak fill, but man, this is not like the best setup out there.
yeah, not the best setup.
Let's check Nasdaq. What, it's giving low volume candles. Hmm. It looks like the market is going very, very slow now.
Yeah, we had like insane amount of volume, so I think
The
it's
whole
time
day.
to consolidate.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think so too.
yeah,
Like every day, so by the time we come for London, it's already have moved and it's just consolidating.
yeah.
Every time we
London is
come
always
for I mean New York is the same.
London has the volume.
Yeah, pre-London had a really nice volume, I think.
Yeah.
Wow, pre-London and also London Open, it was all full of volume. Look at that.
Today, yeah, today it was like full of volume. Since we are
Yeah,
in very
wow.
bearish trend, so we had good volume.
It went like even Asian, I think. From Asian session till London close, we had a lot of volume till pre-New York or
Yeah,
New
today we
York
had
Open.
volume.
Was very good volume actually. Yeah, I don't think I can take this setup at all. So you have at the moment 25k Lucid, right?
Yeah, 25K lucid. And this one dominant funding account.
You're up something, so how is it going with you right now?
It's going good. I'm up almost close to 1.5%.
On Lucid or Dominion funding?
On lucid, on dominant funding, I'm up close to 1%.
Oh, wow, that's not bad.
Yeah, yeah,
That's in the evaluation stage, right? Not the funding stage.
yeah. Lucid is into evaluation state, but dominant market, sorry, funding is into funding state.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So is any minimum requirements to make a withdrawal from Dominion markets? What?
Yeah,
And you made
for 7
zero?
days or 3 days, I don't know about that,
Uh-huh.
but you have to make 0.5%.
Man, I think you can easily achieve it. You just have to be a little bit more patient, that's all.
Yeah, that's it. That's less.
Takes patience.
Yeah.
Takes a lot of patience. So probably gonna wait for this next 15-minute candle, then call it a day, because I
Same here.
need to go meet a friend today.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So you tell me now, how was your festival?
Oh, it was really nice actually. It was a good time to spend with friends and family. And yeah, it was
Okay.
really fun. It's a special occasion. So you know that we was fasting during Ramadan, right? For the
Yeah, I know.
last
I have
month
my
we was
friends too
fasting.
who are fasting.
Yeah. And we just
Yeah.
had we are celebrating because now we can eat like it's yeah. So that's cool.
That's nice.
So I was actually thinking to create a whoop. Do you know what's whoop? This
Yeah,
platform.
I
Have you
know.
ever joined it or like went and bought something from there? This thing.
Yeah, and you.
Yeah, I was just checking it out and it looks nice. Like I'm thinking to start create from scratch.
Okay.
But what should I name it? Um,
Like some crazy name. You should name it some crazy name.
Price Action School.
Yeah, that's a good name.
But it's not that crazy.
Yeah, not that crazy at all.
So I will write gold because it's mostly gold.
Yeah, it's mostly gold.
Yeah, so a friend like they suggested me this platform to create where people can like follow and you can teach them and it's like classroom, you know?
Yeah,
And then I can have classrooms over here. Add a
okay.
team. What's this? So do you have an account in this platform?
No, no, no. Till now, no account.
Hmm. Okay, so I think now it's breaking on the 1 hour. Now it's breaking on the 1 hour right there. So if this was willing to go, will it go? Let's see now. I actually like to anticipate these types of move and like expecting what's gonna do. So what do you think is it gonna do? Is it gonna move to fill the week or is it gonna reject?
I think it's gonna move to fill the week because we had made top week.
Yeah.
But yeah, since price moved a lot, so we cannot say it's very good of a setup. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, with price action, I think it has to fill this week to the downside.
Yep, I think I agree with this. Wait. But on the 30 minute it looks like it wants to go up. So I don't think it's gonna fill the week.
Okay,
because it broke and then it went up. So it didn't broke and kept going. No, it broke and went up. So I
Yeah.
think it's just gonna move up. And also this red candle didn't close below. So this is the second
Yeah.
reason maybe it will not fill the week. It's like about 50-50 chance. So yeah, let's see.
Yeah. The big chance.
And also if I said what you just said, it will not be fun. So this is also another reason to choose the opposite. Okay, so I think I need to create some Instagram and yeah, I think I should create Instagram. Oh, so that's how they make it. I think it's pretty easy to start selling like courses and stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Yeah, so I will keep this in mind. I actually want to create some something like what is it called? Man, it went. Ah, like the clubhouse. You know the clubhouse.
Yeah, 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 like the clubhouse.
Yeah, so now it's on Whoop, so yeah, I'm thinking to create something like this alongside the trading because man, trading is like boring. You wait for hours and hours and hours and it's just sometimes you get the setup and you make some money and sometimes you're just waiting. So I
Yeah,
was
sometimes it is pretty.
always thinking what can I do? Can I do something like good and beneficial, good for people during this time? And it was this like teaching, do YouTube sessions, and do live streams. Yeah, this is what came in my mind. So
Okay,
that's
that's
why
nice.
I'm doing this live stream at the moment, and I'm also thinking to develop it.
Nice.
And then could be also another side stream of income.
Yeah, it
But
could be.
this is not the main goal.
Yeah, not the main goal, for sure.
Yeah. So if this 15-minute candle closed above, I am looking, it would be very nice to enter, take a buys above here. I don't mind
Okay.
at all because it will be re-breaking. So now it created 1 hour lower wick and now it's re-breaking its own high. 30 minutes also on the 15. It looks good because it couldn't close below there, because below
Yeah,
this support right here. So I believe it's a good chance in 1 minute and 30 seconds.
yeah, let's see.
And if this candle broke the previous candle low, the it has no business breaking this candle high right there. And
Yeah,
yeah, maybe with and also it can be a good opportunity to create this 4 hour wick. It can still go up to create the wick and keep moving down to
yeah,
stop all these sellers that they have entered selling right there. Yeah, looks good actually. It's
yeah,
looking
it looks
good.
good.
So buy one MGC stops in the range. It's on maybe about 2 MGC. This is 0.6%. Okay, not bad. Maybe reduce it a little bit. Oh, that's very small. Yep, I think 0.6% is not bad. Okay, so I think I will just place my buy stop.
Okay.
30 minutes. This is the 15. Yeah, it should be above here, this candle, because you can see here previously it did the same thing. Alright, and I think it went without further any notice. Alright, buy stop. Alright, so buy stops is right there. Let's see if we can get activated.
Yeah, let's see.
So I was actually trying to create some reels. Do you have any idea how can I do some reels, or maybe you have some experience, know someone that can create reels good in editing?
I don't have that experience, but I think you should create reel around price action.
Yeah, that's what I want to do actually. So I have this board. You can see this board, right? I want to do some educational stuff on this board.
Yeah.
Yup, on this board right here. I want to create some reels in my free time. Alright, it doesn't look like it's gonna activate us actually. Wow,
Yeah,
but this candle looks good to melt.
rejecting.
If it broke its previous high, yeah, I don't think this is necessary anymore.
Yeah.
So here, but it broke the previous high and then it went, I think so. Let's check this previously. It created the support. Man, this
Created
is,
support.
yeah. Like look right here, so there was a red candle, green candle. It's actually the same but a little bit bigger, like till here.
Yeah,
So it
bigger.
created the support, and then above here this area, and then it just broke. But you can see that it
Yeah.
broke the previous candle, the red candle. So maybe I'm gonna just leave it, because if it doesn't want to break to the downside, it could break to the upside.
Yeah, it could break the upside.
Let's check also to the left hand side if there is any useful information there. Mm. Mm. Nothing useful. Yep, nothing much. So yeah, if it broke, maybe we can get triggered. Otherwise, I would call it a day. And yeah, I think that's it for today. I think it's more than
Same,
enough,
I would call it a day for today.
because I also need to go.
Yeah.
It shouldn't break this 1 hour high. I believe so. No.
Same.
Nasdaq is still going down. So volume is getting very slow now, like after all of these moves. Now in New York we are having very very slow volume, so I think
Yeah, slow volume.
we should be focusing more or on Asian session and London session instead of New York, because New York been very ugly in the past like few weeks.
Yeah.
There wasn't any good trades in the past few weeks for New York. Have you tried the platform trader SEA? Trader C, I think it's called.
Yeah, Trade I'm on Trade on Lucid. It's
Oh,
good platform.
really?
Yeah.
Like Project X, or is it better?
No, not better, but same like Project X.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
That's nice.
super nice.
Yeah. Okay, so is it going to break? There is 7 minutes for like the 30-minute candle, which is also good. If 30-minute candle could close bullish, I think it will be also nice as well.
Yeah,
Could be good as well.
yeah, could be good.
still consolidating in this area. I believe with this 30-minute candle closure we are gonna get something in this next 4 minutes. In the next 4 minutes possibly gonna get something, even if it close
Yeah,
below
definitely.
we can probably look for something,
Yeah,
but carefully, very very carefully.
very careful. Yeah.
hmm Alright, so it looks like it's breaking down now.
Yeah.
It's breaking this previous, I think it broke the 1 hour. Broke
Yeah. It
this
broke the
30
one.
minute. Yeah, I don't think this is necessary anymore, this buy stop. Let's remove that. Yeah, it's totally now, don't think it's necessary. So let's see, is it gonna melt? Is it gonna
Yeah.
melt?
Let's see.
I think you won now, so it actually filled the wick, it didn't move up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it actually filled the wick. Yep. Alright, so this 30-minute candle gonna close in about a minute and a half. So let's see now. One minute left. Alright. Man, what an ugly closure still. That's a very bad closure.
Yeah, very bad closer.
Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, I think we should just call it a day right there. We
Yeah,
should
we
call
should
it a
call it a
day.
day.
Doesn't look like at anything good at all. Yeah, so you guys should be careful and stay away from these charts because it's looking very, very sketchy. Like it wants to take all your money. And today is
Yeah,
Friday, so it's better not to waste your week profit. And it's a little late already, so you guys better be careful and not to lose your profit for the week. Stay away from the chart, stay safe, go touch some grass, enjoy time with friends and family, or just go do something you like.
yeah. Okay. See you, brother.
Alright,
Nice
Alex,
speaking session.
have an amazing weekend, my friend.
Yeah, brother.
See you later, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, bye bye.
Alright.
You also guys stay away from the chart, it's really, really dangerous. Looking very dangerous. Just have an amazing, amazing weekend. And that's all. Adios.